Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. If you're getting stuck on the loading or blue screen in your Valorant on your console, don't worry. We've got a detailed real-time VPN solution that will help you bypass this problem on PS4, PS5, and Xbox. Sometimes getting stuck on the loading screen can be due to network issues or regional restrictions. Using a VPN can help by changing your virtual location and potentially resolving these issues. Here's a step-by-step guide to set up and use a VPN for your console. First, select a reliable VPN service that supports console gaming. Some top choices include NordVPN, ExpressVPN, CyberGhost, or Surfshark. Ensure that your VPN provider has a dedicated app for routers or provides detailed instructions for manual setup. As for example, sign up for a VPN service and download the VPN app on your computer or smartphone. Install the VPN app and log in with your credentials. Now, configure the VPN settings to connect to a server location that might help bypass the loading issue. Open the VPN app and choose a server location. It's often helpful to select a service that is geographically closer to the gamer's service or one that is recommended for low latency. For Valorant, choose a server location that corresponds to your region. An example, if you're in North America, you should select the US server. Try different server locations if you are unsure which one will work best. Since consoles don't support VPN apps directly, you need to set up the VPN on your router. So here's how. Log into your router's admin interface through a web browser by entering the router's IP address. Navigate to the VPN section of your router settings. This may be under Advanced, Network, or VPN. Enter the VPN server details provided by your VPN service. This includes the server address, your username, and password. Consult your VPN provider's setup guide for router-specific instructions. Fourth, connect your console to the VPN-enabled network. After setting up the VPN on your router, connect your PS4, PS5, or Xbox to the Wi-Fi network routed through the VPN. On your console, go to the network settings and ensure you're connected to this VPN-enabled network. This routes your console's internet traffic through the VPN, potentially resolving the loading screen issue. Now, restart and test. Once you're connected to the VPN-enabled network, you can restart your console to refresh the connection. Launch Valorant and check if the loading or blue screen issue is resolved. If you're still stuck, try switching to different VPN servers or adjusting the VPN settings for better performance. If the problem persists, ensure your VPN is properly connected and the server is working well. Try connecting to a different server location if the current one isn't effective. Check for any VPN app updates or reinstall the VPN client on your router if needed. Alternative solution can be if VPN does not fix the issue, consider reaching out to the Valorant support or checking online forums for updates on console-specific problems. And that's a wrap. With these real-time steps, you should be able to fix a Valorant console stuck on a loading or blue screen using the VPN. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gaming solutions and tips. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop a comment below.